Ito po yung weekly chart ni Bitcoin. This is our parallel channel na matagal na nating ginagamit. This is the reason why we took profit no early January because nakita natin na malapit na siya dito na siya sa taas ng parallel channel. Pull back and then it's going up again. So ito yung critical area for me para sa mga bulls. Kasi po, nung sinukat ko on a weekly yung measured move niya, yung sinukat ko po yung weekly Fibonacci extension niya from this pivot low to this pivot high to this correction, alam niyo yung lumalabas, eto sakto, 618, 110,000 kung nasan po yung price natin ngayon, dyan sa area na yan. So, this is a critical area na bibiyakin, kasama po ito, 116. Kung babasagin natin yan, itong 0.618 hanggang dyan sa 116, there's a likelihood na ito yung next target mo, yung 1 ng extension. Sa 130 ka na. Ay, kung babasagin to, itong 618, medyo matibay itong 618 na to. Tsaka ito po trend line na to. Remember, this is the weekly chart. Itong trend line na to, nasa 116 na po ito ngayon eh. So, kailangan niyang basagin to reach this. Ngayon, kailan babasagin? We don't know. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I will be surprised if babasag tayo ngayong July. So, there are some predictions that are saying na, okay, this December, 200K tayo. But based on this chart, as a technician, medyo bumalabs. Of course, walang 100% guaranteed. Kasi ito, May 2026 na, ito pa lang yung tuktok niya. Kung gagapang man siya dyan sa taas. Ang tuktok po nito, nasa 127 lang. Of course, pwedeng pumitik. But this is May 2026 na. So, this is the bigger picture. So, for me, the Bulls needs to take out this 110K and nasaan yung kailangan nilang i-defend. Alright? Ito pong area na to is critical, ha? Itong trend line na to, kailangan niyang i-defend. Remember, this is the parallel channel na binasag natin noong July 2. So kailangan, kung bababa man tayo dito, wag tayong papasok sa loob. Otherwise, pagpasok mo dito sa loob, there's a likelihood na, okay, dribble ka na naman dito. Not necessarily babalik ka, bear market na. No. Susundin muna natin to kung babalik sa loob. Ngayon, since ito yung basag, di ba? Sabi ko sana long green kung talagang malakas yung bulls. Ngayon, if there will be consolidations na maliliit above this, hahaba, there's a likelihood na babalik.